Unless you hit it.
No, I don't remember if I hit it. So that means I didn't.
Just go ahead. It's just
I was gonna anyways,
okay.
my bowl. What? Shut up.
Oh, God.
Smoke it.
Ah!
Oh, you're funny, dude. Ready?
Okay. It's,
She's like... You're like about to catch your thumb on fire.
These resin hits aren't doing good.
They ain't doing good at all. That's what happened when my bowl fucking broke. I like cleared all the resin out.
Oh, that's so sad.
Dude, legit, it was fucking packed like incense. It looked like incense. It's a fucking like, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.